Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diniz De Moura. If it's your first time here joining us today, please to make yourself feel at home, click that subscribe button below so you do become a part of the squad. Hit that notification bell as well so you do get notified every time I upload a new video. Wow, if you're a returning subscriber, a regular schmegular, welcome home, darling. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For today's video, I will be doing a quick and easy, I'm saying quick and easy because it's literally just me applying makeup to my face. I will be using this tinted moisturizer for the first time that I got from Hot Off the Heels. So I will be using this and trying it out. It's also the Maybelline Fit Me brand. So I'll just use that and create a look because we are going out for lunch today. It's a Sunday. I'm not cooking. Happy, happy, happy. I'll be doing this look for you guys today for our family lunch date. Let's get straight into this video. I got this tinted moisturizer from Hot Off the Heels, so I will be trying this for the first time. I did get it in the color 355. However, I feel like I might have to, mix it with my 340, but let's just see how that goes. Okay, my lips are so dry. Let me see if I can put on something on my lips. Ooh, okay, so I will put some lip gloss on my lips. So this lip gloss is by Blink Lashes. So the lady where I get my lashes, she also sells lip gloss. So I am just gonna put this on. Okay, now I will go in with the tinted moisturizer. Yeah. Now I will just blend it out. Load it for you guys, and then I will film the next one. I know today I came on here with my head wrap already on, guys. I don't know what was, happening, but I just didn't want to take it off again because I already had it on for church. I had this head wrap on, so I didn't want to take off the head wrap again. That's why I just incorporated it into my look. Okay, so this is completely blended out, guys. This looks a bit I don't think the tinted moisturizer, it says for all skin types. I don't think it's for me because I'm not sure if it shows up on camera, but in the mirror it looks like it's a bit shiny. but I know I can, fix it. Let's try and fix it. So I'll go in now with a little bit of concealer. I won't go in too heavy with the concealer, but I'll go in with the concealer and then we'll blend it out and then we'll just take it from there. Okay. I don't want to go heavy on the concealer, just enough to give it a pop of color. Okay, let's blend. Now that we've blended all that out, I'm gonna go in with my Revolution Beauty banana setting powder just to set all the areas that I just applied concealer to. Because I just wanna give like a little bit of a pop under my immediate under eye area, as well as the bridge of my nose and my chin and my forehead, the tinsel wings a little bit. Let's just see if we can do. Now I will try and just add some blush to my cheekbones, and then we will dust off the excess powder that we used for setting our concealer. Okay. I will use my blush by MAC. It's the Raisin blush. I will use this to just add some warmth to my cheekbones. Now I will just dust off the excess powder. Now I will go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I will just apply that to my natural eyelashes. We are going to the Chinese restaurant in Wolfish Bay to have lunch today. We decided to go to the Chinese restaurant today because I am off duty, so I'm not cooking today. Today is eat out day, so that's why I just did this quick head wrap look, because I didn't want to change it, because like I said, I came with this head wrap from church, so I figured I'll just get some cute face, get the boys, get Hubster. They're actually waiting for me already. They're just like having fruits right now because mama gotta get ready. So yeah, I don't want to put on too much blush. I just want to add warmth to my face. Now that I've applied mascara to my natural eyelashes, I will use the Laura Mercier powder again just to set my entire face. Okay, after I set my face, I will sort out my lips, but my lips are not going to be too hectic. I'll just put on a liner and then I will add a little bit more gloss. But I'm gonna go in with this Essence Lippy. I can't remember what shade it was in because it rubbed off. Yeah, so I'll just use this to line my lips. So that's it for lips, and then I'll just apply some more lip gloss. Okay, lips are done. Now I will be applying the Lasting Fix setting spray by Maybelline. Just have pressed that setting spray in so that I get a more lasting matte look. Okay, so that's it. This is the final look. Whew. So I posed without my earrings. I'll just put on my earrings. Okay, so this is the final look. Thank you so very much for watching up until the end. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please to make yourself feel at home, click that subscribe button below so you do become a part of the squad. Hit that notification bell as well so you do get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in my next one.